To begin, you are going to safely raise and support the vehicle and remove the front wheels. Please see our articles and videos on these tasks by following the link provided at the end of this video if you need additional assistance. The 18mm nut on the sway bar drop link holds the strut to the wheel carrier, red arrow. Loosen, but do not remove this yet. Support the wheel carrier with your floor jack. You may need to raise or lower the wheel carrier until you find the optimal height where the top of the drop link will smoothly slide out of the wheel carrier. Now remove the top drop link nut with an 18mm and a 19mm wrench and slide the drop link out from the wheel carrier, red arrow. During installation, this will be tightened to 40 Newton meters or 37 foot-pounds and then an additional 30 degrees. Now remove the lower drop link nut with a 16mm wrench and a T30 torque and slide the drop link out of the sway bar, red arrow. During installation, this will also be tightened to 40 Newton meters or 37 foot-pounds and then an additional 30 degrees. You can now remove the drop link. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.